Shebada was the same blood clot one who said Jake's fingerprint left in a Chantal wood, so I don't know where you come a blood clot say. You know what? Not to hear people's story. I just left it.
Rosealee little bit unconventional and I need to have a shake like tambourine. Rosealee can't combo nobody. With your bubble gum, your ear tangle and favor Negril amok. Go on, yeah? You can't combo nobody. I want the orangutan. You're the only girl me see wrong for your party.
When them in a mic here for 12 years, but I couldn't feel them up. And them in a yai side from September till now, and look what take place. Who's a real unfit parent here? Me Shebada the pan who? And Jakes? Yeah, Shebada even Jakes. Don't come on and come address nothing. Make Rosealee, make Rosealee, make Akim send her back to go and take care of her kids. Shebada, I never want to sit here, you know. Coming up, me not go class, coming have time for that. I mean, I go argue. Whenever try say to you that a man and a woman can't have kids. A man and a woman can't have kids. Not that no more, and the situation dealt with properly as parents. Akim never send me to be a mother. I thought when me become a mother, me don't know Akim. He not have to send to go do that. But I saw no one-sided, and that's why I'm not listen to you. No time at all because what? He said if you would have a rapper man, Jakes, on the beginning, probably me could have said, boy, bad too bad, you know. Bad too bad. Shebada, he must talk true. That pay rubbish talk. You never blood clot come here one day, come say move on a blood clot. And I don't me eat the egg. Me see that girl come here, come beg and take care of that boy, them ungrateful. You know, say it all now. You dissect a lot of things and you preach. And when I don't know, when I leave from for months, I'm in a look for you, you come to preach. That are the real blood clot true story. So when some cocky Sherlock was a part of the boy, you don't look. It's a hypocrite. Me mind him, me take care of him. All the while when I come out to my kids, when I call Akim, if I not Akim breed me. Akim can only advise me and do a suggestion. He still can't tell me what to do. He's not. They put them door belongs to him. Me and him only there. Him and them father. He only can suggest this to me. Oh, I can do it about this and him and advise me. Nothing more, nothing less. Nothing more, nothing less. That's all I can do. Nothing more. Stop calling him name. This is a story between me and Jakes. I will pick what we get. What we find it. On my behalf, or in the behalf of it. Because I don't want you pick up for me, and I don't want you on my side. I want you speak the truth. When you say you pick, I speak truth. Spit up out of my mouth. I speak truth. The truth is just the ungrateful bumble. Where time against me with the kids, him should have more step in more as a father. Him should have more step in more as a father. That is the truth. So the money them we over here receive by exploiting the kids' name spend upon them, but that's the blood clot truth. Through the 8 girl on always go one-sided. Remember, you know. Remember Shebada was the same one I said. Remember Shebada was the same blood clot one I said Jake's fingerprint left in a Chantal wood, so I don't know where you come a blood clot say. You know what? I'm not to hear people's story. I just left it. Remember you was the one who come say my little girl I met and she was 9 years old. So when you hear people's story, leave it. Never listen to no. Come here and I go argue about ya. Come on, me know the algorithm one gonna give me. I'm gonna look pound on it. Tell the blood clot man say you failed as a father. You cannot be the one good papa here. When these things are place with the child. Where are you? That's the real question for blood clot ask him. When there? You know say my good father. So when them something take place, where you there? Where you did there? Come to me would I like to know that myself, you know. But me ask the question about me that like to know myself. When the things them are taking place with your daughter, where were you? You want me to tell TikTok where were you? You come here, you class me, you beg, you chinker me, you in the lane. You in the lane till when night come, you wrap up yourself over Mali and the Alia, bat you all our pussy. That's it, that's all. I when Cheryl come and sell her for funky news them.
Bad mom. Eh? You go like you're somebody. Yeah, Natalie. You understand what I mean? She'll come out. You come and go like you're flavor. You're flavorless. You're flavorless. You can't come about me, but say what I say and the argument done. You never want Jakes get a rise from the app. And a data beat you bad. Where you eat me for the fact say me direct everybody over to Jakes. Now sister, when you show out to Adam, I don't know who trouble dirt alert. Eh? With that skin with fever lambada skirt. Was it a little bit unconventional and underneath her shake like tambourine? Was it you can't combo nobody? Eh? With your bubble gum ear tangle and fever Negril amok. Go on ya. You can't combo nobody. I want the orangutan. You're the only girl me see wrong for your party. I don't know who trouble orangutan. Don't to a skin a pumpkin skirt. Everything underneath you fold up and full of lump. You want one steaming iron underneath you before you get a pressing iron. Move your nastiness. Yeah, combo boy, you know listen to me like me that talk for you, hear me. Me never that talk for you, hear me, Rosealee, because number one, you can't wear shoes that barefoot fit you. Oh, I mean the only one see a clean rifle for a cigarette. What you say? The lady with the peanut trash order. We really attack out of your mouth. You can't talk nothing about me. Go feed your granny to her AIDS pill them. Go give your granny the retroviral. Go and feed your granny. Go look after your granny will lay down with HIV. And she forgot help. AIDS in the house. Eh? Go feed your granny. Yeah. Yeah, clean rifle from Captain's Bakery, Matches Lane, Southside. Right to behind War Theatre, you never actor. Louise Bennett know you? I just that more I ask you. Yeah, and your granny lay down the ears, lick out your granny teeth and gum share sport. That's why everybody at your party gumless. They might represent your granny and celebrate her. Move your nastiness. Yeah, go and me make Jakes now look upon your Jakes independent. And me put Jakes now level of independent. Move what's that you beg for. $5,000 can't hold Jakes again and $1,000. But talk to the soap on your foot and your sugar. Now come about me and mind your sugar turn stone pan you. And your little neck black, like you have elephantitis underneath your neck. Now come about me, my baby. Don't come about me. Your daughter full of fingerprint and you run down cocky with shit. So how you work out that? Your daughter full of fingerprint. If police want to find a criminal or see if you test Shanta. Yeah, come but move. You're a bad mom. Me never say nothing wrong. You're a bad mom. And the argument done. Are you a waka issue generation curse in a see view? That's why they take out restraining order upon you. Are we here saying? What you say? No, but I don't understand her, Sister Winnie. She come and call up. No, call up my name. Call up Akeem name. Call up Akeem name because I pay Batikaki you take. I pay Batikaki you run down. You know the most batty man in Jamaica. Nothing can escape you. Go scrape out your belly. Them. Go and scrape out your belly, them. Now come by me, lady. Eh? Cause the same way man used to drive you up and chop all in an asphalt and under cellar. And the same way you want to grow your daughter. Move now, man. Move and come out of my way. Yeah, call up my name. I never say nothing wrong. You eat the facts and me stop in your tracks. And that you eat. Me always ask, Nessa Purple, big up yourself. Sharon Bless, big up yourself. You always eat the facts and me stop in your tracks. Yeah? Now come here, so. Don't come here, so. Because me not telling a lie, you cost the most batty man that you eat clit. Your mouth feel smell of female. Where you talk, say? Tell Akeem come out. Because you have to watch him with the toothless, synthetic and acne. You have to watch him against them. Because you know you look like them and you will take them. You have to watch Akeem. Talk about the trip. You're busy to watch Akeem. Go argue with Slutty. Go argue with the girl where Akeem get all of the information. Them. Maybe them take it from your picnic them and give you a dog because you favor kennel. Him take it from your picnic them and give you a dog. Are you alone? Are you and him buy a dog and never know say a meal? Yeah? So now come about me, lady. Go take your card from Akeem. Go and take your ATM card from Akeem. Him a shop till him drop. And you put them naked than water. Me not even put them against buckle, because buckle come with label. You put them naked like water. Sometimes I wonder if you put them as spring water when a buckle yet. Them just clear, so them not have nothing in a life. Nothing in a life, not even an address. Go argue with that dirty Rosealee you want come about me. I want the nasty June. I want the June where dirt make ankle socks by your foot. Yeah, come about me. Go argue with that.